こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei. Let's learn authentic Japanese with me. Have you found it challenging to listen to Japanese precisely? Do you want to improve your listening skills? Let's do a dictation exercise. Dictation is to listen to a sentence and write it down. This is really helpful to improve the accuracy of your Japanese listening. If you struggle to catch a particle, people's name, or tense, it will be the perfect exercise for you. Before we start, let me give you a notice. The University of Southampton, UK offers online summer intensive courses from July the 5th. And I teach the Japanese course. It's online, so you can attend at your home. This course is a practical travel-themed Japanese conversation course designed to introduce you to the basics of the Japanese language and culture. It's perfect for beginners who want more conversation practice and prepare for your next Japan trip. Please get more details at funjapaneselearning.com/JulyOnline. You can find the link on this podcast episode website. Alright, let's start the dictation exercise. The first step is to listen to the dialogue. This time, I chose a very easy conversation, so you can understand the meanings easily. When you practice dictation, it's vital to choose easier materials for you. Even the easier conversation, you may find it challenging to write down everything precisely. Once you can listen and write down all the details correctly, you'll find it easier to listen and speak Japanese. The second step is to write down the sentences. You can choose to write the whole script or use a worksheet and fill in the blanks. You can download the worksheet and the answer sheet at funjapaneselearning.com/episode 22. You can find the link on this podcast episode description. The third step is listening again and checking the answer. You can download the answer sheet at the same link, so please check it. Are you ready? Alright, let's start. 始めましょう。First step, just listen. At an airport. すみません。はい。もしかして山本さんですか？いいえ、違います。すみません。Did you get the meaning? If yes, great. If not, no worries. We'll listen to it again. Second step, write down. I'll speak slowly. If you need, press a pause button. すみません。はい。もしかして山本さんですか？いいえ、違います。すみません。Now it's third step. Listen again and check your answer. This time, I add the translation. すみません。excuse me? はい。Yes? もしかして山本さんですか？ Are you Miss Yamamoto by any chance? いいえ、違います。No, I'm not. すみません。Oh, sorry. How was it? どうでしたか？ How did you find it? Easy? Difficult? You can download the answer sheet. Check the episode description and download your sheet. The answer sheet includes translation, so you can check the meaning. Today we did a dictation exercise. Dictation requires your brain energy a lot, but it helps to improve your listening and speaking skills. I hope you enjoy it. If you love this fun Japanese listening podcast, please subscribe to this channel and leave your honest review. I would appreciate your support. またね!